In this video, we'll show you how to change the tail light bulbs on your Dodge Ram 1500. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Dodge Ram 1500 Car Battery. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you'll need to open the truck's tailgate and take out the rear light housing. To detach the tail light assembly from the vehicle body, remove the two screws with the T15 Torx screwdriver. Pull back on the light assembly to snap it out of the retainers at the outside edge. Pull on the red tab with a small fork. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab. To access the tail light bulbs, unscrew the 4 holding screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Then take out the bulb holder. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. To increase the lifespan of the bulbs, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers. We advise you to carefully clean the bulbs with paper towels before putting them back. To remove the 4157 turn signal bulb, simply pull on it. You can order the bulbs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bulb. Put the new light bulb in the socket. To remove the 3057 brake taillight bulb, simply pull on it. Do the same for the second brake light bulb. Replace the bulb holder and screw it back on. Plug the electrical connector back in and lock it. The light is held in place by studs encased directly in the car body. Put the light back in. Screw the 2 holding bolts back in. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.